How to blend layers in CapCut for smooth transitions. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can blend overlays on CapCut for a smooth transition. Open CapCut on your device and import your video. Now on this video, I'm just gonna add a new overlay. Click on overlay from the bottom panel. After that, again tap on add overlay. Now go to your gallery and select a video. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna select this one. Make sure that the video itself and the overlay are somewhat same. This will create smoothness in the video. To blend the overlay, tap on the overlay and select splice from the bottom panel. Now here are different blending methods. You can select any of these blending methods that you want. Look through all of them and decide the one that you would like to apply. There's also another method from which you can do this. On the bottom panel, swipe and search for the option opacity. Tap on opacity and now increase or decrease the opacity of the overlay according to your liking. This is also another way from which you can blend overlay on CapCut video. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.